Alright, so this is basically a special step-by-step video to hook up the resonator to TV for visual effects. You take your TV that has a video and audio out, RCA jacks. Most TVs have that, video in, audio in, RCA. So put this in, turn that on, turn this on here. And then you can go through your channels, 6, 7, 8. You go through your TV channels and you find your channel that is like auxiliary in. Let's see, like you see, yeah, like AV in or auxiliary in. And your resonator. Plug in your audio out. Plug in your regular 1/4 inch audio out, and to your video in like this, and then you press some buttons on here and video effects. And if you're running the audio out, you can hear the audio of the resonator. You can either run the audio into the TV's audio in, then you have to control the volume from the TV, or you can have the audio running to a different device like an amp or PA. So once again, there's the light back on here. So once again, you just run your audio out into your video in. Doesn't matter because the audio out is a 1/4 inch jack, and any RCA adapter, and then you press the buttons and you get the video effects. So once again, find that auxiliary channel on the TV, and that should work. Alright, hope this helps.